Hello, friends, welcome to the 11th episode of the Cult Current series India Untold Stories. I am your AI presenter, Pranjala. So far, we have discussed the Vedic era. From this episode, we begin our incredible journey into the Puranic era. Satya Yuga, also known as Krita Yuga, is the era of Dharma, truth, and justice. It was a time when human life was full of righteousness, morality, and peace. In Indian mythology, this era is referred to as the Golden Age. Let us immerse ourselves in the stories of this era and experience its greatness and spiritual significance. The duration of Satya Yuga is believed to be approximately 17,28,000 years. During this time, human life lasted millions of years, and people led ethical lives based on truth and dharma. There was no place for sin or falsehood in this age. The greatness of truth and dharma is mentioned in the Udyoga Parva of the Mahabharata. Satyam dharma parmo hi satsu satyamiv cha, tasmat satyam param dharmam satam satyam cha shashvatam. This verse means that truth is the supreme element of dharma, and those who follow dharma always walk on the path of truth. Therefore, truth is the highest dharma and is eternal. In Satya Yuga, righteousness held an important place in human life. All people were devoted to the gods, and their lives were based on truth, dharma, and morality. The Manusmriti states that the highest dharma is to speak the truth. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyanna bruyat, satyam priyam. Priyam cha nanritam bruyadesha dharmaha sanatanaha. This means that one should speak the truth, but speak it kindly. Do not speak the truth if it is unpleasant. Speak what is pleasant, but never speak falsehood. This is the eternal dharma. During this era, Lord Vishnu incarnated in various avatars to destroy the demons and protect Dharma. In the Matsya avatar, Lord Vishnu saved the earth during the deluge. In the Kurma avatar, he supported the Mandarakal mountain during the churning of the ocean. In the Varaha avatar, he killed Hiranyaksha and restored the earth. And in the Narsimha avatar, he protected Prahlad and destroyed Hiranyakashipu. Dharmena yu krite sarvam satyam dharmasya karanam. Dharma eva hi satam shrestha satyam dharmasya karanam. This means that truth and dharma are the foundation of life. Dharma is the highest for those who are righteous, and truth is the cause of dharma. One of the most prominent stories of Satya Yuga is the tale of Bhakta Prahlad. Prahlad, the son of Hiranyakashipu, faced his father's anger with devotion to Vishnu, and ultimately Lord Narsimha destroyed Hiranyakashipu and protected Prahlad. This story teaches us that the path of dharma and devotion is always safe, and truth always triumphs. Satya Yuga was a symbol of dharma, truth, and justice. The stories of this era teach us that those who walk on the path of truth and dharma are always protected. Lord Vishnu's avatars not only destroyed the wicked but also protected dharma. That is why Satya Yuga is remembered as the Golden Age. So join us on this infinite journey. Every era has a story that speaks about our rich religious and cultural heritage. In the next episode, we will discover the uniqueness of the untold stories of the Treta Yuga. Stay tuned for the next episode of the India Untold Stories series. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.